This is the Syllabus of Systema, a step-by-step program, a clear and comprehensive way of Vladimir uncovering all the elements of Systema, designed for all levels of experience. Each topic is thoroughly introduced and explained. Each drill is shown from the starting position through progression, variations, number of reps, and combative applications, complete with deep insights and training tips. The camera follows Vladimir and his partners from various angles. Detailed captions accompany all the movements on the screen. Every drill is numbered, labeled, and described in the captions. The Syllabus collection includes 12 films. If you wish to gain true martial art excellence, these films are for you, because this syllabus set has it all. Only on Patreon.